Yes, that's right, you guys. I just turn on the camera and that's how I roll. I am looking very pasty, but that's because I didn't do my bronzer and stuff yet. I will do that when I get to work. As you guys know, all my wardrobe literally is black because that's what I have to wear to work every single day, which I'm like, I want a little color, but when you work in the makeup industry, it's black, 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 black. It'd be nice one day to wear like color. But whatever, I'm in black and I'm ready to rock this video. You guys, yes, my hair is dirty because I'm getting it done on Friday. So no, I am not washing it. Let's get into this giveaway, you guys. But first, two things I want to tell you. I always tell you what I'm wearing on my lips. Hold on one second. Hold on. Yes, I did have lipstick on my teeth that whole time. All right, now I'm ready, you guys. So, the first thing I have on my lips is NARS. I think it's called Don't Stop. Love it, love it, love, love, love NARS. Do you guys know where I can get these earrings, okay? I know this is old school stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I love these earrings. Love them, love them, love them. I cannot find them anywhere. Let me know if you guys used to rock these or you did rock them because I absolutely love, love, love them. I'm sorry, this is my friend from work. Hold on one second, you guys. It's my girl, Ruby. She is the best makeup artist, you guys. She really needs to have a channel, because she's awesome. Okay, so anyway, let's get into this video. First thing I want to show you guys before I do the giveaway is, okay, I want you guys to watch this last video. I didn't know that my giveaway winner had a YouTube channel. She literally just started. I don't even know how many subscribers she has, you guys. Like, I don't know. She just started. She said she started because of me. I can't even. Like, one of my subscribers starting a channel because I inspire them. That'll make me just keep doing YouTube forever, you guys. If that's what I do, if I inspire you guys, and I just feel like joy in my freaking life. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's so freaking awesome. She is bomb. Listen to her. Watch this.
What you say? I want a giveaway. Hey, 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 hey. What's up, y'all? Your girl Vivacious V is back in the building. And as you can see by the thumbnail, sister girl right here done won herself a little giveaway.
Girls,
I did.
boys, you will love her. Please follow her. Vivacious V. Here she is right there. Yes, I am subscribed. I love her. She just started a channel. I like to help out as many people as I can. If you guys are new, I'm going to make a video on that anyway because we all need to like come together and, you know, support our small channels here. But let's get into this 13K giveaway, you guys, because I was at 13K. I looked at my statistics. YouTube literally took 8,000 subscribers away from me. 8,000 in the past year. I reached out to Jen Loves Reviews and Stephanie Nicole. She said there has to be a glitch. Like, what is going on here? I don't know, and I can't get in touch with anybody from YouTube. So, literally, like, I'm heartbroken over that, but I still have you guys, so I don't care. Let's get into this video before I get ready, rocking to go to work. But you will be seeing me posting later on. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Makeup by Shay with 2 A's. If you guys don't have Instagram, I totally get it. It's not a big deal. So let's get started, you guys. 13K giveaway. So the minute I hit 13,000 subscribers, this giveaway will go up. So if I hit 13K today, the video will go up on Friday, only because I'm working. I'm not waiting 2 weeks. I'm not waiting 3 weeks. I'm just doing it like this. The minute I hit 13K, and whoever hits that bell and gets me to at 1301, you have to please like screenshot it or something. DM me, let me know, because I am also going to send you a gift. I think it's pretty cool because that person made me get to 1301. Do you know what I'm saying? Or something like that. Whatever. You guys, let's get into this. Okay, the first thing I got, you guys, is the Eco Tools. I love their brushes. They're absolutely amazing. They're affordable. They're bomb. You guys will love them. Bam. The next thing I got you is, I have never tried this. This is from Soap and Glory. It's an eyeshadow palette. I don't want to open it, but it looks really, really nice. Wait, you guys, wait. The next thing I got, you guys, is 2 of these. I love these. They're from Tattoo Junkie. You guys, they're liquid lipsticks. They're so awesome. But the glitter, I literally use for my eyes. Now, I don't recommend it. I don't want anybody getting an allergic reaction because of me. But I do recommend these liquid lipsticks. I think they're freaking awesome. The next thing you'll be getting is a Sigma brush. This is a Sigma 3D Kabuki brush, which, you know, who doesn't love Sigma? Like, love, love, love Sigma. And the reason why I'm giving this away is because I'm going to IMATS New York with my 3 girls. So I will be picking up more, and I will be picking up more for more giveaways. Okay, the next thing you'll be getting is Flake Away from Soap and Glory, which I love. You'll get 2 body butters. Amazing. Here's the bomb. Here's some bomb products right here. This is the Artist Couture Highlight in Illuminate. You will be glowing for days, you guys, no matter what your skin tone is. You will be glowing, glowing for days, my friends. Then the next thing I got, you guys, is from Number 7. I don't want to open it. Number 7 is one of my favorite lines. I use their primer. I use their foundation. I love Number 7. I can't say enough good things about it. Then, I'm going to save the best for last. Then the next thing you will be getting is the Wet n Wild. It comes with the brick, and then it comes with all their pigments, which is super cute. And a brush. Absolutely love it. And last but not least, you guys, will be receiving the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette. I own it myself. I love it. I want to do a review on it, but I think there's millions of reviews on it already. But you guys know how I feel about my Kathleen Lights, and I love her. So I highly recommend you guys enter this giveaway. Bye, bud. Love you. Have a good day. I highly recommend you guys entering this giveaway. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. You could also tell me what you like about my channel. You could even tell me what you don't like about my channel. And you know what? I'll be okay with that. As long as it's not like harsh or mean. Because I'm trying to change it up. You know what I mean? I just don't know what to do anymore, you guys. I don't want it to be all about makeup. I don't know, because there's so many beauty vloggers out there. I want to, like you said, I'm going to start vlogging, do something different. But you guys, it is literally 10 to 8 in the morning. I am filming for you guys because I'm so dedicated. I am truly, truly dedicated. I do have a full-time job. I do work like literally 9. I leave the house at like, just say 8:30. I'm not walking in the door until 6:45. It is a long friggin' day for me. 5 days a week. So yeah, it's a long day. And I'm trying to do YouTube as much as I can. I'm trying to upload as much as I can. When I first started, you guys, I wasn't working. I was sick. Do you know what I mean? Like, literally sick. So I couldn't work. Do you know what I mean? Like, I was home in diapers, you know, because you guys know that I had cancer, and then I was allergic to the chemo, and that's why I was in the diaper. So it gave me something to do, an outlook. But now that I'm back to work, back in action, back in doing makeup, which I absolutely love, and I love my freaking job, but I'm trying to juggle a full-time job, my house, and YouTube, and YouTube is a priority for me. I'm not going to say it's not. It is a priority to me because I love you guys that much. Now I'm rambling on. I need to shut it. I need to zip it. Go check out Vivacious V. Oh my God, you guys would be crying, like cracking up crying. She's so funny. If you want someone that's going to make you laugh and who's just so real and have a good time with, she's your girl. Okay? She is your girl. All right, you guys, let's get into this. I'm going to take a selfie now. You guys know the deal with my videos because I suck at, I won't edit because I don't really like to edit. I like to be raw, like totally raw. I don't give a shit. So I don't edit. I'm really not that good at technology with all the things with the selfies. So I try to take the best selfies I can. And I do that at the end of the video. So that's why I say if you guys want to leave, you can, because it's like, I know I look stupid and ridiculous, but it is what it is, and I really don't give a shit. All right, my friends. So peace out. Have a great day. Let's get to 13K, and I will put this. I will announce the winner as soon as I hit it. Whoever ever hits that bell that gets me to 1301, boom, you are gonna get something too. All right, my friends. Now I'm gonna take a selfie. Oh, your girl looks pasty. Okay, so Dream Street palette, Sigma brush. Is this going to be a good selfie? Hold on. Like, I can't, like, hold on. I don't have a remote for this, you guys. Yes. There you go, you guys. I got that thumbnail, so you will see my face, white as a ghost, out there. All right, my friends, I gotta go bronze up this face at work and get ready and start my day. I really, truly love you guys from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me for this long. I think it's almost going to be 3 years that I have been on, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep just trying my hardest and keep it moving. I could sit here and talk all day to you guys. That's the problem. Like, I think maybe I talk too much. Maybe that's what it is, you guys. Let me know. I don't know. I do talk a lot. That's just me. But I'm going to do story time soon. You know, like different types of videos. I do have a haul to show you guys. Oh my God, this palette I got. I didn't think I was going to buy it. I'm like, no way. I'm not buying it. I'm not spending another dime. I need to go on a no-buy like from now until IMAX because Carl's got a mortgage to pay, bills to pay. All right, my friends, I love you. If you are still here, maybe I'm talking to myself, but that's okay. It's all good in the hood. All right, my friends, peace out. Have a great day. And hit that subscribe button. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Ciao. Why am I pressing a photo again?